I can't believe it, but we are already at the end of the global village. Hi, I'm Rumaisa, and come along with me on our very last day. I met up with Maya, who you guys already know, and we had our daily check-in with our team at this cafe where we were greeted by these cute dogs. As our last morning debrief, we reflected on the week and discussed strategies for the day, and then we were off to the train station to go to the conference center. We had been to so many incredible events through the week, so we were all really excited to get there and attend the final few sessions and panels and see what else the conference had to offer. We continued along with our interviews, including talking to some people we had met earlier in the week. And we stopped at these booths showcasing amazing artwork created by people living with HIV. And then we attended what became one of my favorite sessions, a debate on disclosing or not disclosing your HIV status in the era of U=U. We had some really engaging questions and discussion from audience members at the end, including from Maya. We had to take a lunch break, of course, so we stopped at the nearby food court. And I ended off my day at this gallery showcasing personal testimonies and stories from people around the world. And then it was time to head out. We met up with our fellow youth ambassador from University of Sao Paulo, and we had our final meal all together at this really cool place with live music. And to end off the day, me and the other youth ambassadors spent some time exploring the city. It was truly such an inspirational week for all of us, and we all learned so much from the Global Village. And I'm so excited to take these lessons and experiences into what I do in the future.